Ready? Exercise number 15. The charge for the rug was put on your March bill. We wish to remove any fear they may have, and we shall urge them to engage a lawyer. Full stop. May we take Polly and Jack to see the parade on the 4th of March. We shall make up a party and have lunch at the cake shop. We are making a tour of Italy in March. Our party should be in Rome on the 4th of the month. We shall get back to Canada in May. The usual charge for parking the car at the garage was 2s6d. We saw a copy of the rare book in the shop window. It should pay the fun to go on the air daily. Paul King was put in charge of the factory early in March. We can put a mark in red at the bottom of each page we check. Full stop.